Hey guys, welcome back to another video of these foodie kids. In this video, we are going to make a classic dish from Poland, which is called as cabbage rolls. Usually, this dish is made with meat, but today we are going to use veggies such as paneer. You can use beans, onions, potatoes, anything of your choice. So now without wasting time guys, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Now for the ingredients for the cabbage roll, we have taken 5 cabbage leaves, garam masala, 150 grams of paneer, 3 green chillies, 1 capsicum finely chopped, half an onion finely chopped. For the masalas we have taken salt, red chilli powder and turmeric. Let's start with the recipe. So here for the method, I have taken a pan and I have poured some oil and I have heated the oil. Now I am going to add the green chillies and onions both together. Now let's mix it. We'll mix it for at least 30 seconds. Now I've mixed my green chilies and onion for 30 seconds. Now let's add some haldi. Just mix the haldi for a few seconds. Now let's add the capsicum. Let us keep the capsicum cooking for a few minutes. Done mixing the capsicum for a few minutes. Let's add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. And 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. Let's mix it for 10 seconds. Done mixing for 10 seconds. It's time to add the paneer. Just adding salt as per your taste. Now simmer the mixture for a while. Then we are going to keep it aside and cover it. Now we are done preparing the mixture. Now it's time to blanch the cabbage leaves. Here you can see my water has got pretty hot. Now it's time to add the cabbage leaves into it. I will keep this for a few minutes and let it get soft. I'm done blanching the cabbage leaves. It's time to prepare the cabbage rolls. So here, let's add a little bit of filling. And there, let us roll it. Now, I've rolled my cabbage rolls. Now let's add it in the pan to stir fry it. Now let the rolls get stir fried on the one end. Then we are going to flip it on the other side, and then we are going to fry it on the other side too. Placed all my 5 rolls on the pan, and the sizzling sound is really good. Now I flipped 2 of my rolls on the other side. Now it's time for the rest. Now my cabbage rolls are ready. See. Mm. really yummy. Now if you like the video, please like it, share the videos with your family and friends, and also subscribe my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.